Hi everyone, welcome back. Last time we practiced the basic greetings. Today we're going to build on that and practice a more natural conversation. I will speak first, then pause so you can answer. Take your time, speak out loud, and don't worry about mistakes. We will also practice the full conversation again at a natural speed at the end. Let's start. 你叫什么名字？我叫 Mandarin。你今天忙吗？我今天不忙，明天见。Alright, let's practice the full conversation at a natural speed. 你叫什么名字？我叫 Mandarin。你今天忙吗？我今天不忙，明天见。Great job today! If you want to take your speaking to the next level, try recording your voice. You can upload your audio to Google Drive or any platform that creates a shareable link, and then share the link in the comments. I'd love to listen to your recordings and support your progress. Also, feel free to check out our other videos for more Chinese speaking practice. See you in the next episode.